Hello friends, welcome to the new video of Theme Hunk. I am Anurag, and I will show you how to add an account page, cart page, checkout page, shop page, and order tracking page to the website. We will create the pages with shortcodes in the Shop Mania theme. You can find all the shortcodes in the description. Let's get started. This is our dashboard. Let's head to the pages. Currently, we don't have the pages that we need, so we are starting from scratch. To create a new page, click on Add New Page. We are going to create an account page first, so we named it My Account. To insert the shortcode into the page, we have to enter the shortcode block first. Click on the plus icon and search for the shortcode. Now copy the shortcode of the account page. Don't forget to insert the square bracket before and after the shortcode. Save the page. Now head to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Go to Advanced. Search for the My Account page and assign the page that we have just created. Save the changes. Now let's see the preview of our page. Our account page is set up as we need. Now we need another page, which is the cart page. So, let's create another page. Give it a title. Now again put here the shortcode block. Head to WooCommerce to copy the shortcode. Here it is, copy it. Come to our page and paste it inside the square brackets. Save the changes. Now go to WooCommerce Settings. Click on Advanced, and assign the cart page in the cart page section. Save the changes. Let's see the preview of our cart page. It is looking good. Now we have to create a checkout page. So create a new page and name it. Put the shortcode block. Copy the shortcode of the checkout page. Paste in the block. Save the changes. Head to the WooCommerce settings. Go to the Advanced section. Now assign the checkout page to WooCommerce. Let's see the preview of the page. Our checkout page is set up. Now we will create one of the most important pages of the website, which is the shop page. Create a new page and name it. But you don't need to insert any shortcode here. Just go to WooCommerce settings. Go to Products and select the shop page here. Save the changes. Now go to Pages and see the preview of the shop page. It is set up as a professional website. But wait, our order tracking page is left to be created. Create a new page first and name it. Put here the shortcode block. Now copy the shortcode of order tracking. Paste the shortcode inside the block between the square brackets. Save the changes. Now you don't have to assign this page in WooCommerce. You just save the page and view it. You can see our page has been set up. Let's have a view of the pages we just created. Every page has its own importance. These pages are necessary for an e-commerce website. So this is how the pages of an e-commerce site are set up. Although it was lengthy but a simple process of creating all the pages. You can get all the shortcodes in the description of this video. I hope this video will help you to create the pages. Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.